Have you ever experienced unexpected breakdowns of your heat exchangers and you've had to shut everything down just to repair or replace it? This unpredictability is often costly, not to mention the risk of it, especially when you are dealing with high temperatures or hazardous substances. Guess what? You don't have to worry about that anymore because ABS is now offering you a field testing service to minimize all the risks and losses from it. Powered by Alfa Laval, our proactive maintenance service utilizes a fully automated integrity testing unit. This fault detecting device gives you a better understanding of the condition of your heat exchanger in the safest and most productive way. It can even detect microscopic flaws that are lesser than 30 micrometers. With our service, you won't have to go through all the unnecessary processes such as disassembling and reassembling your equipment or even cleaning it for the testing. Plus, it only takes as little as 15 minutes to complete a section, and it comes with written documentation and certification confirming the condition of your heat exchangers. What more could you ask for? So, how does it work? The testing unit pumps a mix of hydrogen and nitrogen gas through your heat exchanger. The precision sensors will then pick up any discharge of the tracer gas, allowing us to detect the potential severity of cracks. By doing this, it reveals any microscopic cracks, corrosion, material fatigue, or even the external gasket leakages. Let me illustrate this with a balloon by pumping tracer gas into it. A balloon normally has several microscopic pores that are too small for water to get passed through, but large enough to allow gas molecules. Imagine the balloon as your heat exchanger plate wall. Now, by using our sensors, you can see that our device is detecting the leakage of the gas. This means there is a crack in your heat exchanger. These highly sensitive gases can even identify types of plate or gasket flaws with little to no probability of a false positive, making it possible to catch problems early. It is also the best testing method that detects all the cracks and flaws at one go. You must be thinking, what if there's still liquid remaining in my unit? Ideally, we drain your heat exchanger completely, but our integrity tests work just fine even without doing that. This time, we filled the balloon with water and tracer gas. As you can see, the measurement shows that gas detection is still possible even with water. Our preventive maintenance service helps you to prioritize your product quality better by detecting any flaws and cracks that are so small that liquid can't penetrate it. You can therefore avoid any costly risks. Not only that, the tracer gas mix has been certified as non-toxic, non-flammable, non-corrosive, and stress-free. They dissipate without residue, and it requires no cleaning at all, so you won't have to worry about any chemical reactions or the gases affecting the product quality. What's better about this is that our integrity testing unit not only protects your equipment, it protects the environment as well. Both hydrogen and nitrogen are renewable, sustainable, and environmentally friendly, unlike other field tests that uses different substances. This means our proactive approach provides you operational safety while taking care of the environment at the same time. ABS Engineering's preventive maintenance service is perfect for you if you want to avoid unwanted and unexpected breakdowns. It is a proactive approach that allows you to plan your production and maintenance schedule effectively and confidently. And it also helps you to create a safer and sustainable environment in your factory. The good news here is, this is available throughout Malaysia. We are ready whenever you need us. Let us help you to run your unit in the safest and most productive way now. Run safer, run smarter, run better.